Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we'll show you how to turn JavaScript on or off in the Opera browser. Whether you're looking to improve your browsing speed or enhance privacy, controlling JavaScript is a useful feature. Let's get started. First, open the Opera browser and click on the Opera logo at the top left corner to open the menu. From the drop-down, select Settings. In the Settings page, go to Privacy and Security. Scroll down to the Site Settings section and click it. Now, find JavaScript under the Content section. Here, to turn JavaScript on, select Sites can use JavaScript. To turn it off, choose Don't allow sites to use JavaScript. If you want to block specific sites only, scroll to the Not allowed to use JavaScript section and click Add. Enter the website URL you want to block and click. Add again. That's how you can manage JavaScript, either globally or site by site in Opera. Now, you know how to control JavaScript settings in Opera. It's quick and simple. For more browser tips and tutorials, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel.